Wait for it. Airplane mode. Don't want anything to distract me from today's video. Welcome everybody that is going to be watching this at a later date. And welcome members, because this video is getting started off as one of those members only videos. I kind of wanted to show you guys something pretty cool that one of my mechanics gave me today. And I figured it might be something you're interested in, especially if you have a GoPro or one of these amazing cameras, the Osmo action camera, which is great because not only do you get this cool back screen, you also get this cool front screen. So when you're vlogging, it's a great little camera, almost indestructible. I love this thing. But there are times, let's say I'm swimming. Most of the times I'm taking this swimming, it's in a swimming pool. But what if I'm at a spring, or what if I'm at the beach and I'm worried about losing this and it floating to the bottom? Well, one of my incredible mechanics here where I work gave me something pretty awesome today. He gave me this amazing thing that camera supposedly connects right up to, because it has a GoPro style mount on it. And I think it's going to come in really, really handy on those. I mean, I live in Florida. I live in a water state. So it's definitely something I am going to probably be using periodically. So first off, it came with this little floaty thing that you could attach your camera to, and supposedly it'll keep your camera from sinking to the bottom if you lose it. It comes with this handy dandy little wrist strap, so it makes it even harder to lose. But you need something. You need something. So I got that. It also came with the little thing, but I already have one, and I prefer the ones that come with the DJI more because it's just two-sided compared to that, which makes it a lot easier to turn and get locked into place really tight. So I'm going to be using this, and I'll just put this one away. But I guess all you got to do is, let's see if this works. Yeah, slide it in place, put the screw in. Hopefully it fits. It does. Then your camera just goes on here, and then you could go swimming and feel safe and secure. I don't know where the strap goes though, because there is no place to put the strap. So where this goes, I have no idea. There's no little loophole. There's no nothing, which is odd. Yeah, where does this go? Is it in here? No. There's actually no place in this to attach this. Now this came off of Amazon. You spend like 24 bucks for GoPro accessories, and you get like 80 GoPro accessories for 20 bucks, and this was one of them. And he already had a nice one, so he went ahead and gave me the one that came with in his GoPro goodie bag. And yeah, pretty awesome little thing. It's just the only issue with it is it comes with the strap and no way to connect the strap. So what do? I have no idea. I guess you just don't use a strap and you just hold it out there. Look at there, look at there. Ooh, look at there, look at there. And then, oop, dropped it, and it just floats. Easy, easy, easy camera. Easy, easy. Find me. Find me. Up. Okay, this camera's not working too good. There we go. Catch my eyes. There we go. Anyway, you guys want something like this? I think it's like $24 on Amazon. I'll go ahead and hunt down the pack, and I'll put it in out from my Amazon store, and I'll put it in the link in the description below. So if anybody wants to buy this, has a GoPro or a Osmo Action, you can get it. This will be part of the package. Just don't expect to use this. Anyway, that's my quick little members only video today. Aren't you guys lucky it's really, really short? That's what she said. Till the next time, I love you guys. Thanks for being members. And to everybody else that's seeing this video at a later date, thanks for being a part of my family. I love you guys so much. Till the next time, peace out, everybody.